Get to know your favorite Dell devices with help from the people who know them best. Welcome to Dell Support on YouTube. Tune into our channel to find answers and easy how-tos that guide you step-by-step through the out-of-box experience and initial setup. Or perhaps you're a longtime Dell user who needs support. Whichever the case may be, we have tutorials to help you along the way. You may also learn useful tips and tricks about your favorite apps and tools, how to use the latest Windows features, care for your device, how to upgrade or replace PC components to boost performance, and answer common PC questions thanks to our support tutorials. ¿Habla español?
日本語を話しますか?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Parlez-vous français?
Você fala português?
Check out our other YouTube channels for additional support in your native language. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel and discover new ways to enjoy your favorite Dell devices.